Video, we're going to show you how to put together the feed manifold, and the feed manifold then attaches to the table so that your hydroponic system can flourish. Ian, how do we put this together?
So you take your manifold right here, it varies in sizes and what you get. You'll find your male adapter, and you also have a cap. You want to make sure that you use Teflon tape around the threads to make sure that no water seeps through. Then you'll take your cap and you'll screw it on. Once you have this screwed on, you'll attach it into your manifold. Press it in like so. After that, you'll take your rubber grommets and you'll sit them inside the holes. Now once you have all of those grommets in, you will take our microtubes and you'll put them inside the grommets like so. Now you'll go over to your feeder reel and you'll take your manifold, and now you'll take the zip tie that we have included. So now that you have your manifold assembly ready, you'll walk over to your table frame assembly with your zip tie. You'll set your manifold inside the feeder rail, take your zip tie, press it around, and lock it in. This will secure your manifold onto your feeder rail. Next, you'll take your channel, slide it into your collector, place it right here. And now you'll take your microtube and you'll plug it in to your collector just like so.